For the next problems, we are given some additional detail. We are given the score obtained by E vis-a-vis the scores obtained by A, B, C, D, F, G and H, that is all the other 7 students. Let us interpret the data given in this table. If E had scored say X marks, then the score of A would be X plus 2 marks, B will score X minus 1, C X minus 2, D X minus 3, F will score X, G will score X plus 1 and H will score X plus 3. We are also given very important fact that the entries given in this table, that is the entries made by E, are all correct. Now we move on to the next question that is there in this problem set, which is based on this additional data. We have been given that let the total number of correct entries made by A and C together be X and the total number of correct entries done by B and D are Y, and we need to find out what is the value of X minus Y. We find out that with this additional data given, we find that the value in R1 C1 is correct, R3 C1 is correct, but the values given in all the other columns of row against row 1 are incorrect, and the same goes for the row 3. Similarly, we can find out how many entries are correct if we take the case of B and D. So, if we sum up the number of correct entries for A and C, we find that there are only 2 correct entries, one for A and one for C. For A it was R1 C1 and for C it was R3 C1. So X is nothing but 2. And similarly, we also find out that for B and D, the value given in R2 C1 is correct and the value given in R4 C2 is correct. So Y also comes out to be 2 only, and the difference between X and Y will of course be 0. So option number 4 is our correct answer.